how do you actually use the platform? As I said, it's easy to use, so it should be easy to explain. Let's see if I manage to do so. This is the homepage of the platform. There is the main information of what its objectives are, how to use it. You can find key resources, such as the GSA market report mentioned by Marty from USPA just now. You also see some basic explanatory videos of the EU space ecosystem, all accessible here to you. This is your one-stop shop or entry point to the GNSS community in Europe and Asia Pacific. So all the most important information, in addition to our website, is linked to here. Once you registered, you also have your own profile and personal dashboard where you can see all updates. You can see if you have booked meetings, when there are any pending meetings. So that means you have requested a meeting, but the other person hasn't accepted yet. You can change your settings on notifications received or your availability, indicating in which events you would like to take part in. So this is your main access point to the hub, which looks like this. Looking at the navigation of the hub, as I mentioned, there's the home page. You have different pages there who explain in detail how the platform works. So if you have any questions or are unsure, you can have a look there. Everything is explained in detail. There are also contact details if you want to reach us. You can look up how to do that there. On the participants tab, you can see who else is on the platform. You can see their profile, find basic information, their names, to which organization they belong, their role in their organization, any marketplace opportunities that they might have offered. This is all available here for you. We also have the marketplace. The marketplace means that any participant can offer, for example, a product or look for a partnership or offer their expertise in a certain area. So if you're looking for specific partners or projects, you can post it on the marketplace and maybe you'll find a counterpart who's interested in venturing into this project. You will also see an agenda where we publish all upcoming events, not only GNSS, but also any other relevant events connected to GNSS. So this is a great repository for you on upcoming events. You'll also have your personal area, which is meetings and messages. You can find messages that you've sent or received to other participants or book meetings. So fairly simple. These are the functionalities of the hub. How do I actually request a meeting? This is shown here. You click on participants. You can apply filters to look for specific organization types, for example, or you can bookmark people that you would like to engage further with. And then you click on their profile and request a meeting. That's it. Meetings can happen one-on-one, but you can always share the link of the meeting to other participants or other contacts of yours that you would like to invite to the meeting as well. So there's no limit in terms of participants. You can have only 2, 3, or 10 people in the meeting. There are no limits. That's completely up to you. This is a long-term thing, which means that you can book meetings whenever it suits you, hoping that the other participant is available too. But you can always send messages to find a meeting slot that fits you both. They indicate the availability, so it should be fine. But this can be done throughout the next year, anytime, from anywhere. And you can write a personal message to the participant that you're asking a meeting for. So I suggest you always indicate your interest and why, or what you have to offer, so that the other participant knows why they should talk to you or meet with you. And then you can see your pending meeting requests, because you'll have, once someone requests a meeting with you, you'll have to accept to actually meet with them. This is done under meetings and pending meetings. Simply click on accept and it's done. You can also reschedule, offer a different slot that suits you better. That's also possible. Make sure that you indicate your availability so it doesn't happen too often that people book meetings when you're not available. And I also suggest that you use the marketplace, because this is a great entry point for people to see what you are interested in, what you're looking for, or what you have to offer. The general rule is the more marketplace opportunities, the more interaction, the more networking, and the higher added value for you on the GNSS.asia Hub. This is how you add a marketplace opportunity. It's fairly simple. You go to your profile, to your own dashboard, which I showed you before. Scroll down to marketplace opportunities and select the kind of opportunity that you want to offer. Is it a product, a service? Are you looking for a partnership, a project cooperation, looking maybe for investment even, or expertise? That's up to you. Then you can see the upcoming events that we have now. You can easily join them online directly from the agenda, just clicking on join online. Once it always opens 5 minutes before the session starts, and then you can join. If it's an external event and you have to register beforehand, it's not possible to join online directly from the hub, but you simply click on a link and be transferred to the external event. If you have questions in the meantime, feel free to put them in the Q&A or in the general chat. I'm happy to answer them later in a short Q&A after I explained all the details. Events coming up soon, which I recommend to you, are the new European Union Space Program online launch event on 22nd June. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope I'll meet you there again. Yes, so here again you see how to join the event. Simply go to agenda and click on join online, and there you are. When you're accessing an event and now are in the video conferencing tool, just as now, you can always adjust how you view the screen. If you want to see the person bigger or the shared slides, this is very convenient to adapt to your own needs. Some of the sessions we have here on the hub will be recorded, and some of the presentations that we share during our events will also be uploaded. You can find them always on the participant profile of the speaker at the event, and download the presentation and recording right there for your needs. All right, if you need any help, you can always consult the platform itself on how to use it. Otherwise, you can also always drop a message to hello@GNSS.asia or to the team on the hub itself. So the Europe and Asia team is always on the hub, and they're happy to help you anytime with booking meetings, finding people you want to network with. You also can invite them as a mediator or facilitator in a meeting, because usually we know our community, we know the people we would be happy to join a meeting and introduce you and mediate the meeting.